Okay, let us start. After you finish install the JRE, make sure you have these two files. You can find it on Google easily. Now open the Eclipse folder, run the application. This is for your workspace. Up to you. It's up to you whether you want to place it. This is mine. Okay. I use the Eclipse version 22.3. This is the main frame for Eclipse, for your Eclipse, or some people call it Java ADT. Now click on Windows and click on Android SDK Manager. Make sure you have installed all tools you want. Okay, back to Windows and click Android Virtual Device Manager. I already have emulator here named test, and I will introduce you to make you one. Call it test again. Choose your device, the emulator you want. I use Nexus. This is the Android API. I will use Google APIs, and for RAM I will use 512. Okay. Now click the FED name and start. Then launch. Wait for application, the emulator loading. It will take a while, depend on your computer. This is your emulator, Android emulator. Name test again. Okay, back to Eclipse. This is the mainframe for Eclipse. Try to make new project, Android application project. I will name it test. I will change the packet name with com.test. This is the minimum required SDK. I use Android 2.0 or Froyo. Target I use API 18 and compile with API 19 on Android 4.4. And I use HoloLight theme. And next, this is your workspace. This is for you can choose anything. Image for background, foreground. I mean, this is for ground scaling, shape, and background color. I use standard white. This is for the activity. Full screen activity, master detail or flow. I use blank activity. Okay. This is the activity name, main activity, and layout name activity main. Wait for project. Wait it. Okay. This is your project. Android project. Your Android project, I mean. Now let's see on press and layout. Click on activity main XML. See, this is your layout for your project. You can drag and drop from option here. Okay. I will make text field here. Okay, you don't need to write the script because Netclipse, the XML automatically created the script. Here you can see this is the script for your layout. You can choose whether you want to view graphical layout or on script. Okay, now check on com.test and the main activity.java. This is where you can put your Java code. This is for a method uses of right protected void and for the public boolean for simple application we made. Now run the test. Right click on test and run as Android application. If this occur, save change. Yes, of course. Now check your emulator. Wait, sometimes it take a while. Okay, we try again. Test, right click and run as Android application. Okay. Now check the emulator. Okay, here. Your application, your simple application is done. And wait a minute. This is where you can view the log chat for error. Let us see. This is for log cat on background. Okay. This is the end for my tutorial, and this is the end of application. This simple application. Thank you.